Hey everybody, I have some really exciting news today. I just found some amazing tools that yet have not been announced by RYOBI, but they're coming out because I found them. You're going to want these tools. I know you're going to want these tools, so stick around. My name's Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Get ready. This is going to blow your mind. So as we take a look at the 40-volt lineup, there's going to be a couple of Easter eggs in here. Now this is a family photo posted by RYOBI, and if we take a close look, let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. What's that right there? That looks like an autonomous lawnmower. So when are we going to see this autonomous lawnmower come out? I haven't seen it anywhere else, but I can't wait to see it here. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Everything else looks pretty cool. I have not seen this before. This looks like it may be an extra battery holder, maybe something you wear. I'm not really sure, but I'm not going to assume too much. It looks like they have another pressure washer coming out as well. Everything else looks pretty standard in their lineup. I'm not going to point to any more big directions, but if you do take a look right here, what do we see right there? Looks like we have some hedge trimmers that are on a pole. We already have some hedge trimmers already on a pole, so it's going to be pretty natural that we get a couple more, but that's going to be really nice. It looks like one is more compact, just on extension, more for that expanded, and then one looks dedicated. So that looks really cool. Something that's pretty natural. You know, you're going to see that. But going back down here, this was the big one, the autonomous lawnmower. So everybody get ready for that. I'm not sure when that's coming out, but we've seen it. Now let's take a look at the 18 OnePlus family photo. There is so much going on here. Can you spot the Easter eggs? I'm going to pause. You all take a minute, see if you can spot the Easter eggs, and then I'm going to show you what I found. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom right into the back, and that looks like a little mini post hole digger, just like a little mini auger, if you will. It looks like it's a two-hander. They already have the big one, but I haven't seen the little one. And if I'm wrong, go ahead and call me out, everyone. But we have all the other tools as we're scanning this back wall. We have the cooler in the background. That's already been announced. We have the dual battery lawnmowers. We know about those. And if we scroll over to the side here, let's just go ahead and get a zoom as close as we can go. This looks like a little power rake. This is kind of interesting. I haven't seen this before. It looks like it has an articulation right there. Maybe it just churns and it cultivates, or it helps kind of rake your flower beds. I'm not really sure, but it is right there, and it does have a roller right here too. So that's something to keep a lookout for. I'm not really sure what that is, but I haven't seen it before. This is something else. This looked like a half-inch extended ratchet wrench, but I think that may just be the 3/8, and that may be the quarter right there. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm just going off of conspiracy theory, but it looks just like this, and that's half-inch. So we can keep a lookout for there. But there is one big thing staring you right in the face, and if you haven't got it yet, I hope that you get excited because it's right down here. What does that look like, everyone? That is a 18 OnePlus volt power station. Now, we already have the 40 volt power stations, but I have yet to see the 18 volt, and people have been looking for it. Now, 4 batteries over here. I can only assume there's 4 batteries on the other side as well. But what does that really mean? You're going to get about the same capacity as the 40 volt already, but you can use your 18 volt batteries. That is super nice to have. Look right here, you have a really large auger snake, and I'm not sure if that's already been out or not, but that's more on the professional level, so we're going to step into the professional level. I could be wrong about that one being an Easter egg, but as I take a look at this family photo, There's so much to tell, so much to look for, and announcements are coming so fast, it is very difficult to spot the things and the Easter eggs that we have, but it is really cool to see it. If you all would like to do your own search rather than this video, go ahead and go to ryobitools.com and you will be able to see these too. I'm very excited to share this with you all. I haven't personally seen it. If you've seen it, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. And everybody, I really hope that you appreciated this. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. I really do appreciate it if you share the video. And until next time, take care, everybody. God bless.